Hi everyone, this is Erin from Sandpaper Road, and this is the Clang and Dirt paper collection by Craft a Clock. This collection comes in a variety of sizes. I'm going to flip through the papers quickly, and you can definitely check out more information. There's in the description box, or you could just click right here and go directly to the product category for Clang and Dirt on sandpaperroad.com. And this is the 12 by 12. The paper weight is 250 GSM. This is absolutely perfect for your masculine themed projects. I love it. So that is the 12 by 12. We also have the 6 by 6, and this has, the 12 by 12 has 6 sheets. The 6 by 6 has 24 sheets. And again, I'll go through one set. They're just scaled down versions from the 12 by 12. And this paper size is also 250 GSM, and then it just repeats. Very nice. 24 sheets there. The 8 by 8 also has 24 sheets, and with that additional design on the back of the cover paper, just like you've been seeing. This paper, the 8 by 8, is 190 GSM. It's a little bit lighter weight because this is often the paper size used for making mini albums. This has 24 sheets as well. Here is something that is amazing, is that this collection comes with an 8 by 8 coordinating set of basic papers. Basic. That means that a lot of the design elements, for example, comparing the regular collection papers to the basic, they are just a little bit, for lack of a better word, more basic. They are less patterned, and it repeats. You have 24 sheets. So the basic sets would be more for creating your base layers of cards and mini albums. I really, really like this edition for the 8 by 8. I think that's a great idea. They also have a 6 by 12. Now this is also great for mini albums as well. A lot of people use that 6 by whatever size for your mini album base, and so this is just perfect for that. Not as intense with the tire treads and things like that, although still a little pattern as you saw in the other one, but just a little bit more, for lack of a better word, basic. So nice to have additional coordinating papers that you can set up. Also, you could fold in half if you're a card maker, do a 6 by 6 card for your card base, although these are also 190 GSM as well, just like the 8 by 8 basic. There is an extras set. These are fussy cut extras. This is heavy and vintage. You could also use these on your cutting machine. They are two-sided images, which means that you will cut, like on these here, these are these are bonus images, but when you cut these out, it's the same image on both sides. If you use your electric cutting machine, it's the same image on both sides regardless. Very, very nice. The reason why the letters are not is because if you're using the letters side, you wouldn't need the backwards letter in theory, right? And you get 12 sheets of that. So definitely check out sandpaperroad.com. Again, link in the description box, or you can just head over to sandpaperroad.com and you can search by the category. This is the Clang and Dirt paper collection by Craft a Clock. It does come from Poland. It is made in Poland and available shipping in the USA from Sandpaper Road. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.